Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever gotten a chiropractic adjustment and felt calmer, clear, and more relaxed without anyone touching your muscles? That's not a coincidence. That's your nervous system responding. And most people think chiropractic is just about bones popping or joints moving. But the real secret is that your spine isn't just a piece of structure, it is information. And every joint in your spine is packed with mechanoreceptors and proprioceptors. And these are sensory receptors whose job is simple: tell your brain where your body is, how it's moving, and whether it's safe or stressed. And when a joint isn't moving properly, those signals get distorted. When an adjustment restores motion, those receptors fire again. That signal travels up into the spinal cord, into your brain, your cerebellum, your thalamus, and your cortex. In other words, the brain gets updated information. And here's where it gets powerful. That sensory input directly influences your autonomic nervous system, the system that controls your heart rate, your blood pressure, digestion, breathing, immune regulation. You see, this is the system that decides I'm in fight or flight or rest, heal, digest, and repair. And that's why people often notice deeper breathing, calmer focus, better digestion, improved sleep, less tension, even emotional regulation. Not because something was forced, but because the nervous system was informed. You see, a chiropractic adjustment isn't about cracking bones. It's about upgrading information between the brain, the spine, and the body. And if your body feels stuck, stressed, or consistently on edge, your nervous system may just need some clearing. So share this with someone who thinks chiropractic is just about cracking bones, and follow for more brain-based health education, and schedule your consultation if you feel any of the things we described above.